can add in other different types of objects onto our slides. First, I'm going to create a new slide. And now we have our third slide. It's an empty slide. I'm just going to click over here inside the text box, and I'm going to click on Insert, and we see that I can go ahead and click on a chart, and now we have a sample chart here that goes right into the middle of our slide, and we can go ahead and change the parameters. We see that it's linked to a little Excel spreadsheet, and we can just go ahead and change the parameters, and we see that as we change the parameters in the spreadsheet, the values on the chart are also going to change. So if we go ahead and we click on this and change it to a much greater value, so we see that we chose the value of 100. We see that for the second quarter that bar now reaches the 100 mark, and the same thing would be true that if I decreased it dramatically to, let's say, 15 and hit enter, we see now the bar has just shrunken down to the 15 mark. So this is like a dynamic chart that can be entered into the PowerPoint slides, and again it's linked to this small little data sheet, which is like an Excel spreadsheet. So I'm going to go ahead and close that, and I'll just delete this chart, and let's see how we can go ahead and put some other things into our presentation. Let's go ahead and click on a diagram, and here we have instant diagrams, and again these are objects, so they can all be edited and you can enter text into them. So if I go ahead and click on this and hit OK, we see that we have this diagram has been created, and I'm going to go ahead and move it into the center. And now we see here it actually the diagram itself tells us where we can add in text, and this could be like a description of some type of process happening that we want to show with this visual aid of arrows going around in a circle. And here the diagram actually lets us put in our text onto the image, and it's a very helpful tool to be able to add in different types of images to make our presentation come alive.